How to clean costume jewelry. Artificial jewelry and accessories make a trendy fashion statement without burning a hole in your pocket. Costume jewelry usually consists of less expensive stones and metals than those found in fine jewelry made from precious metals, alloys, plastic, glass, and gemstones. Nevertheless, many pieces of costume jewelry are still valuable, either in monetary or sentimental value, or perhaps even both. Moreover, costume stones and metals are often less durable than those found in finer jewelry, requiring the use of gentle cleaning methods. Knowing how to clean costume jewelry can ensure your favorite pieces remain in good condition for many years. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to doing a dry clean, using a gentle cleansing solution, and using a last resort cleaning approach. Now let's talk about the process. Things you'll need. 1. Lamp. 2. Baby toothbrush. 3. Compressed air. 4. Cotton swab. 5. Magnifying glass. 6. Toothpick. 7. Soft cloth. 8. Soap. 9. Water. 10. Jewelry cleanser. Method 1. Doing a dry clean. Number 1. Find a workspace with good lighting. Overhead lights in dark rooms are likely to cast shadows and should be avoided. Look for a desk with a lamp that you can direct or a clear counter in front of a window. Number 2. Use a dry baby toothbrush or similarly soft brush to gently brush the piece's surface. Doing this will remove any dirt caked onto the surface. Number 3. Hold a can of compressed air an inch or 2 away from the surface of your piece of costume jewelry and spray. This loosens any dirt and dust that might be trapped in the crevices. Number 4. Inspect your jewelry with a magnifying glass. Look for any additional trapped dirt. Number 5. Use a toothpick to carefully remove any dirt you spotted with the magnifying glass. Avoid using a metal pick, since this may scratch glass beads or soft gemstones if your hand slips. Number 6. Polish the piece with a dry, soft cloth. Doing so removes most fingerprints and smudges while giving your jewelry back a bit of its original shine. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using a gentle cleansing solution. Number 1. Mix 1 part soap with 3 parts lukewarm water in a small bowl or glass. Use a gentle soap, since harsher soaps may contain chemicals that will damage your jewelry. Number 2. Dip the soft-bristled baby toothbrush into the soap and water solution. Alternatively, you may use a cotton swab. Number 3. Tap the brush on the side of the glass or bowl to remove excess solution. Use the least amount of solution possible on your jewelry. Number 4. Gently brush the gems, beads, and metal of your jewelry with the brush or swab. Apply light pressure to avoid loosening any glue or enameling. Number 5. Rinse your jewelry under lukewarm water. Try to perform this step quickly. Water can damage costume jewelry, so you must not immerse it for long. Number 6. Gently blot excess moisture off the piece with a soft, dry cloth. Number 7. Lay your jewelry out on a paper towel and finish drying it with a hair dryer. Use the dryer's cool setting, since heat can damage some costume jewelry. Number 8. Polish the piece with a soft, dry cloth. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Using a last resort cleaning approach. Number 1. Obtain a non-acetone nail polish remover or a gentle jewelry cleanser. Always read the label on the jewelry cleanser. Many are not suitable for costume jewelry because they contain chemicals like alcohol or vinegar. Only use a cleanser when the label specifically states that it is safe for costume jewelry. Number 2. Pour a small amount of the nail polish remover or cleanser into a bowl or glass. Number 3. Dip a cotton swab into the cleanser, soaking in as little as possible. Number 4. Tap the swab on the side of the glass to remove excess solution. Number 5. Gently scrub any gems, glass beads, or metal elements. Avoid scrubbing around the area where the gem is attached to its backing, since even a gentle cleanser may loosen the glue. Number 6. Quickly rinse your jewelry under lukewarm water. Number 7. Blot off excess moisture with a dry, soft cloth. Number 8. Lay your jewelry on a paper towel and dry with a hair dryer. Keep the drying on a cool setting to prevent heat damage. Number 9. Polish your jewelry with a soft cloth. Number 10. Finished. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. One, never soak your costume jewelry in jewelry solution, even if the solution is safe to use on costume jewelry. This is especially important if there are gemstones or other elements glued in place, since many cleansers will loosen the adhesive. 2. Avoid using water on jewelry that contains copper or mixed metals. Water will react with the copper, damaging it in the process. Stick with simple dry methods for pieces like these. 3. Put your jewelry on last and take it off first. Avoid putting your jewelry into contact with perfume, hairspray, or other chemicals. 4. Store your jewelry in a cool, dry place. Store each piece in its own separate compartment or soft cloth bag in order to prevent scratching. 5. Consider using baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, in place of the soap for method 2. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda onto the jewelry piece before scrubbing it. Water does not need to be added but can be for a stronger but still gentle scrub. This method is especially good for very dirty costume jewelry. 6. A great tip is to use metal sealants on plated metal jewelry that tarnishes. A product like 𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆 can be painted on costume jewelry to stop tarnishing or protect decorative patinas. 7. If you use lotions, perfumes, hairsprays, or any other self-care products, apply those before putting on your jewelry and allow them to sink into your hair and skin to avoid transfer. 8. Regular maintenance helps keep the dirt at bay, as with any cleaning task. Get into a habit of cleaning your jewelry about once a month. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.